Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. What's worse than being sick, traveling, staying in a hotel, not your own bed? Nothing. Nothing at all. But I found something that will help out if you're ever in this situation. This Dohm sound maker will help out. It has a real fan inside, so there's no fake sound, no looping sound, just consistent and soothing fan sound. It's the perfect white noise because it's real. Also, as a bonus, helped me to sleep through my husband's apnea machine noise, and that is an immeasurable help to me. I only wish I had this when my little ones were babies. It's so calming and makes for the best sleep possible, even with this rotten sinus infection. These amazing little white noise machines also come in different colors like charcoal and pink, but I love this soothing white. It's from the makers of the original white noise machine, so I trust them. As easy as that, a good night's sleep with Dohm, and that's my point of view.